So today we're working with a Bella extra large griddle. You can make hamburgers, steak. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the grill here. This is my first time using this one, so you're gonna see how that works. It says put on for 350 and cook. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the flip over, like so. Ooh, they look like they're gonna be good, y'all. And the good thing about it is you can bring it outside to cook with it, or you can use it inside. It's called a Bella. Yeah, you guys, it's gonna be really good. So we're gonna go ahead and drop on our cheddar cheese, like so. Go ahead and give it a cover. Our burgers are done, so we're gonna go ahead and take them off the grill now, or off the griddle. Look at that, you guys. Yummy, delicious hamburgers. All we gotta do is go ahead and get our buns. There you have it, you guys. Yummy, cheesy burgers. This is called a Bella XL large. I got it from Amazon. I think it was $45. But it says you can make bacon, eggs, pancakes, and all that, and it's cleanable. So, and you can bring it outside to cook. You can put it on your kitchen table and cook, or your countertop. But so far, seems like it's a good deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys keep watching. I love all you guys. Thanks for the support and the love.